Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. Goa delegation meets the Prime Minister, returns back without any concrete assurance. Prime Minister says he will talk to Chidambaram regarding mining package. Education Department notifies increase in school timings, duration increased by 30 minutes, 237 academic days in a year. Mining ban affects sale of diesel, 75% petrol pumps feel the heat. State revenue on diesel down by 21%. Prices of fish sky high, chicken becomes costlier by almost 15%, dry fish too gets costly. And hike in fare of 6-wheeler rickshaws, fares of 6-wheeler tourist buses up by 15%. Transport Department plans 24/7 helpline. Now the news in detail. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has sent back the Goa delegation with half-hearted assurances. Prime Minister will speak to Finance Minister P. Chidambaram regarding 3,000 crore mining package to Goa. He will think over special status demand to Goa. Interest on loans of mining dependents are piling up day by day. Prime Minister said he will look into this matter. A delegation led by CM Manohar Parrikar will come back home without a fruitful Delhi visit. CM Parrikar tried to elaborate the mining dumps issue, but Prime Minister was not interested.
The package also we have asked, and he said that he cannot assure anything, but he will definitely propose it to the Department of Finance or Finance Ministry. He said that he will talk to the Finance Minister, and Finance Minister has to take the decision as regards to providing financial package, as regards to relaxation or giving moratorium period for repayment of truck loans and barge loans and machinery loans. So, in the financial ministry he will speak to. And point to point, around 25 minutes he had discussion with Chief Minister, Prime Minister. Now, all the points are mentioned. कितने त्रास होतात, कितने families dependent असतात, and it looked like that he was not briefed properly before that also. आता Supreme Courtच्या decision खातीर ते उरता. Honorable Prime Minister has agreed, saying that the central government and state government will coordinate with each other. Their lawyers will coordinate with each other. Advocate General will be briefed how to present their case. आणि हे जेन्ना पळय जुलयाक जेन्ना हियरिंग जातले ते डे टू डे बेसिसाचेर जर शक्य आसा जर जाय जाल्यार बेगीन हियरिंगाक घेवन ते सोंपोवपाचें आश्वासन प्रायम मिनिस्टरान दिल्लें आसा. बफर झोनाचेर ताणें क्लॅरिटी हाडली की बफर झोन जे 10 किलोमीटर म्हाका हें जाता, चीफ मिनिस्टर हेज सेड दॅट 1 किलोमीटर दवरचो अशें म्हणून. ऑन दीस ही हेज एग्रीड ऑल्सो. He said that all those formalities we agree on this point also. Okay. Dump was not explained to him properly. He was under wrong impression. ते काडप खूप गरजेचें आसा आनी हे काडटा आसतना स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट आनी सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट दोनूय सरकाराक फायदो जाता आनी ह्या लोकांचे जे बिझनस आसा ते बिझनसूय चलता. सो ही हॅज ऑल्सो एग्रीड ऑन दॅट स्पेशल स्टेटस टू दी गोवा स्टेट. ह्या हाजेर ही हॅज गॉट हिज ओन रिझर्वेशन सेयिंग दॅट all the other states also demand for this special status. Then Honorable Chief Minister explained him that we do not want any financial package. We only want to restrict the sales, that land transfer.
Education Department has increased the timing of schools by half an hour. Standard 1st to 12th will now function for 5.5 hours excluding school recess. Education Department issued a circular to the schools on Wednesday. Schools will now open at 7:45 in the morning and will close at 1:45 in the afternoon. Educational days will be minimum 237 days. Second term examination will be held only after completion of 200 instructional days. Education Department has issued a circular mentioning the terms and vacation break during the academic year 2013-14. School hours have been increased by half an hour. All the schools have been asked to take a note of the annual timetable and plan their activities accordingly. The schools will open at 7:45 in the morning and close at 1:45 at noon. Minimum working days for schools and high secondaries will be 237 days. Total number of instructional days will not be less than 200 days. Second term examination will be held only after completion of 200 days. First term examination will be held after 21st October and second term examination will be held after 9th April. The final examination results shall not be declared before 29th April. Education Department has also notified public and discretionary holidays, 6-day vacation during Savat, 2 days government holiday and 4 days of school quota. Diwali holidays will be 18 days, 10-day holiday for Christmas, summer vacations will be 35 days. Heads of the schools will have to consult PTA and village education committees and decide 4 discretionary holidays for feasts, Zatra and other local festivals. Education Department has decided to schedule SSC and HSSC examination at the same time, but the circular will likely be issued by Goa Board. The notification is awaited. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent. Has mining ban had a negative impact on sale of diesel in Goa? Petrol Pump Owners Association says it has affected almost 70 to 75% petrol pumps in the mining areas. Mining ban has resulted in an overall 12% decrease in diesel sale till March 2013. 21% of government's petroleum revenue has been hit. However, following VAT waiver on petrol, consumption of petrol in the last 1 year has witnessed a 12% rise. Watch this report. President of All Goa Petrol Pump Owners Association, Paresh Joshi, has confirmed that diesel sale and government revenue has suffered a big blow post-mining ban in Goa.
ह्या सगळ्या पंपांचो सेल पर्टिक्युलरली मायनिंग वयलो सेल हो 70 ते 75% फाटल्या अख्ख्या एका वर्सान देंवलो. म्हणजे हे फिगर हांव सांगता ते 31 मार्च 2013 पर्यंत. पूण पेट्रोल पंपाचे जे पंप म्हणून जे आसात आमचे अख्ख्या गोंयांत तांचो सेल सुद्दां ह्याच कारणा खातीर जवळ जवळ 6% देंवला. जनरली साधारण 6% वाड आसता दर वर्सा. 6% तो देंवलो हाजोच अर्थ साधारण 12% इम्पॅक्ट ह्या आमच्या डिझल सेलाचेर जाला. हाजें क्वांटिफिकेशन सांगलें जाल्यार 14,570 KL म्हळ्यार 1000 म्हणजे ताजो हिशोब काडलो जाल्यार 1,45,70,000 लिटर इतलो सेल आमच्या सगळ्या पेट्रोल पंपा वयल्यान कमी जाल्लो आसा. This does not include consumer pumps.
What Paresh Joshi says is clearly visible if we compare diesel sale for the financial year 2011-12 and 2012-13. Diesel sale has come down by almost half from October 2012. This is the month in which mining ban came into force. If 38,935 kiloliters of diesel was sold in October 2011, the sale dropped to 27,288 kiloliters in October 2012. Similarly, 42,434 kiloliters of diesel was sold in November 2011, while diesel sale recorded a low of 26,663 kiloliters in November 2012, 45,762 kiloliters in December 2011, and 27,874 kiloliters in December 2012, a tremendous decline in diesel sale. January 2011 recorded a sale of 44,527 kiloliter diesel, while in 2012 it came down to 28,804 kiloliters due to continuation of mining ban. The story was repeated in February too. Meanwhile, a VAT waiver on petrol has led to a rise in sale of petrol by 12.87% till March 2013. Petrol pumps all over Goa have sold 1,78,63,000 litres extra petrol in the last financial year.
पेट्रोल पंपाचेर दिसून येता. पेट्रोल पंपाचेर दर वर्साची जनरली 5 ते 6% वाड आसताली कित्याक तितल्या टक्क्यांनी गाडयो रस्त्याचेर वाडटाल्यो म्हणून साधारण सेलाची वाड ही 5 ते 6% वाडटा. ती फाटल्या वर्सा 12.87% जाल्या.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with Surendra Madkekar from Vasco for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.